Many around the nation continue to mourn the death of political activist Charlie Kirk. Meanwhile, dozens across the United States have been suspended or terminated from their positions following comments on social media about Kirk's death. That includes two East Tennessee State University professors who have been placed on administrative leave following complaints against them for social media comments. Ballot Health CEO Alan Levine issued a statement earlier this week that addressed reactions made publicly and their consequences. News Channel 11's Brooke Malott breaks down what rights people may have surrounding the use of social media. Brooke?
Thank you, Casey. Yeah, it's pretty common after a major event to want to share what happened and post on social media to make sense of the news and share thoughts and opinions. But Casey, the law may not protect you. I spoke with an employment attorney about how the First Amendment applies to workplace and social media. When it comes to social media comments and posts, attorney Alexis Tahinchi says employees under a private employer are not protected by the First Amendment.
That's very confusing and shocking to a lot of people to hear, but the Bill of Rights, including the First Amendment, only applies to government actors, which means that you might have a First Amendment right if you work for a city or a school board or something like that, a government entity.
Tahinchi says anything an employee posts could be justified by the employer in terminating a person's role.
Even if you have your privacy settings set fairly high, people take screenshots, things get shared around, and if your employer gets a hold of that, they are typically within their rights to terminate you, at least from a First Amendment perspective.
Depending on what you post, the First Amendment can't always protect an employee. Tahinchi says other laws could be at play under federal civil rights law. Tahinchi says robust debates is very important in democracy, but social media comments on threats, violence, and harassment are separate from that debate.
Each individual employee is going to need to look at their own values and their own situation and come to an understanding of their own risk tolerance. Are they willing to risk their job to make their voice heard? And that's just such a personal decision.
Yeah, Tahinchi says it's been concerning seeing the number of public employees that have been suspended or terminated over posts about public concerns, and says employees should use caution when posting to social media. Live in Kingsport, Brooke Malott, News Channel 11.
Brooke, thank you very much. At Kingsport